We're about to embark on our dinghy camping sailing adventure, and the tidal rapids are gone right now, so we gotta get out of here. And our plan is to sail across this lagoon, Elizabeth Lagoon, and then portage the boat to Elizabeth Lake, and then sail across the lake, maybe. And then maybe find an island to camp on, because we saw 2 bears the other day and they were really big. And
really hungry.
We're not really trying to get eaten. And we're off. An osprey in the tree. There it goes.
Oh my.
It appears that our rapids
I can't believe you're filming
are
this.
present.
We're about to die.
This is what the rapids were like the previous night. Certainly the fastest this thing's ever gone. Jesus.
That was horrifying.
Into the lagoon.
Hope there's no other rapids.
Not much to complain about here. Who cares? So we got the sail up again and we're absolutely flying, and the waves are
Way too big.
really fucking big.
They're 6 inches.
They're 6 inches and we have less than that of clearance, and it's a little bit terrifying. Hopefully we don't sink. Good look at close this thing. I think if the seas are violent enough that your sailboat sinks, do you think this is going to do much for you?
Yeah. Dude, these things are so worthy. We're probably going to have to row against all of this tomorrow.
No, the wind will change.
Yeah. Optimal aerodynamic shape. Right there.
Elliot designed this
Yeah.
sail for optimum performance. Cruising around long here at about 3 miles an hour, sometimes 4. Looks pretty blistering. Look at that, fucking flying. Here we are.
Heavily laden.
Heavily laden, ready for adventure. Almost to Sulphur Arm, which is apparently right over there.
It smells really nice.
We've made it to some land.
At last. It's good to stand up.
Feels really good to stand up. We're feeling a little creaky.
Tristan's steering now. We're trying to head to a campsite in what's it called? Sulphur Inlet, on an island away from the bears that doesn't have any topo lines on it, so probably super flat, probably already some camp pads there. I'm sure it'll be amazing. Oh, that was just plowing. This is insane. Whoa! Oh, I've got to get back. The bow's dipping. Oh my god. It's pretty hard to steer. We just steer with an oar. Tristan's got stuck in the back there. Oh no! We're headed to shore. Oh shit. We're going there. That tiny little island is that. So wait. Oh, I think I see it. It's hard to see. It's between the tiny island and the big one. Tristan's trying to, oh, I way zoomed in. This is very America Home Videos vibes. Filming style. Man, we are just flying along there. Yeah, the sails, well, I did the best with what I could. Oh, yeah. We can really only go downwind because we don't have a centerboard or a dagger board. But the tarp came with the boat. And then I think each of those pieces of wood was $5 or $6. Oh, and then, oh my God, we're flying. This bracketry right here, this super fancy hardware store special from Ganges, was, I don't know how much, 20, 25 bucks? Because there's some long stainless steel bolts in there that are pretty expensive. And the line for the rigging, it's all like 1/4 inch paracord, I think, or something. I've just had in my backpack as a emergency line forever. There's that tiny little island. Holy fuck! Oh! Oh. Spin out. Oh, there's an wait, was that an otter? That must have been an otter. It just, well, it was kind of scared by us being so loud. But it, oh, is this our island? Dude, this might be our island. That looks flat.
We're about 4 miles into our journey almost.
That's a long way if we have a problem. We're
4 miles away from our sailboat, which is
35 miles, 40.
it was 40.
Or no, I looked, it was like, if we actually
I think
not...
it was about 40 in a straight line.
Yeah, no, it
Probably
was
like
54 to Bella Bella, which is the nearest civilization. I mean, there's some fishing camps, but they're pretty small. That is the island. Back there. Gone probably 2.5 miles sailing downwind pretty quickly. I mean, we've been going 3 to 4 miles an hour, and it gets pretty tippy if there's even like we had some 8-inch waves. We had some 8-inchers earlier.
Treacherous. I said
We got some water over the side.
2 inches between us and a survival situation.
Yeah, which I think is pretty accurate. But it's not adventure unless you're 2 inches away from a survival situation, so yeah. Kind of want to, I think I'll keep filming till we reach our destination island. I don't know, I see some topo lines on that in person, Tristan.
Is that our destination now?
Yep. Also, a shorter swim for the bears to make. We were thinking of cutting down some trees and making a spike fence around the entire perimeter of the island. We're coming up to this island. That was pretty fast. Well, we're pretty much here. Maybe I'll do another video when we get the tent set up. Oh, the tent pole's also been broken for 2 years and I haven't fixed it, so I'm gonna have to kind of jury rig something there, of course. And I don't have a sleeping bag. I just have a fuzzy blanket and a cotton sheet and a super thin uninflatable pad that Tristan's sitting on right now.
We just found our very flat tent spot.
Oh, well, we're cooking now because we're so hungry we can't function, so we figured we'd better do that before we set up camp. The water's a little salty, but we figure it's good enough to cook with, and it's very brown. We're assuming just from tree excretion. What are we?
We're making rice.
I thought we were boiling it in the soup.
Oh, right. So we don't need water at all.
Soupe poulet plus riz. biologique. The tried and true, tried and trusted, or whatever they say. 25% less sodium Spam. Which is delicious.
Ew.
Shut up. Tristan, you'd
What?
never had Spam before a few days ago, right?
What's that white stuff?
It's just fat, I'm sure. Oh, it's dripping. The bears are gonna eat me for sure.
Ew. That's awful.
Oh, that's amazing. Look at that. Listen to that Spam fry. It's like cat food.
We're the cats.
I really do love Spam. I'm not just joshing you. It just looks horrendous until you fried it.
I actually did remember the can opener, and I brought it out, and
Somehow it didn't end up.
somehow it didn't make it. Spam's cooked.
Really good.
Yep.
Damn boy.
Hi. Good morning. Camera in case we see any wildlife.
I added probably 3 tablespoons of cream cheese to mine, and it tastes like it's straight from the cow's udder. It's amazing.
That's oatmeal, believe it or not.
I feel like this is just going to be a food vlog. But like a really bad food vlog.
I was eating disgusting looking food and saying it's delicious.
I'm getting it all in our fucking beards. Yeah. We've been getting started most days at like 2.
Well, we get out of bed.
Well, Tristan gets
I get out of bed at like 7:30 to 8 most days. And
I don't know. One day, a few days ago, you'd just gotten out of bed and it was like 9:30.
Well, it's sometimes hard to tell what time it is in the V-birth because it's just a dark hole.
Yeah.
But anyways, I get out of bed at some point between 7:30 and 9 something, and then Elliot gets out of bed like sometime after that.
And then we kind of
Sometimes we just talk and he's in bed for an hour and a half because his bed's in the kitchen living room.
And then we kind of sit around.
And then I make some coffee, and then we kind of sit around and drink coffee.
And then we're like, making breakfast.
And then we're like, oh yeah, we better get going. And then we're like, oh shit, man, we didn't eat breakfast.
And by then it's noon. Or it's like 11, and then we eat breakfast, and then it takes us so fucking long to clean up after that. We're like, oh, well, we better leave. But fuck, we're hungry for lunch. I only make lunch. And eventually, we start thinking about cleaning up after lunch, and we're like, no, we just gotta
You
We
just
just
gotta
gotta
get on the
leave.
road, man.
So then we leave, and we've just got all these dirty dishes just clanking around.
Every time we tack, they're just falling.
It's so quiet here. Although, you wouldn't tell that over our annoying fucking voices. But there's like maybe a bird and the mosquitoes, and there's not many mosquitoes, but they're deafening. Other than that, it's just nothing.
Let's be quiet for a moment.
All right, I need to eat more of this. I feel like we're committing so many felonies stepping on this moss.
Well,
You ever thought about how felony would be a good girl's name if it didn't mean felony?
it sounds like a stripper.
Fuck, it does. Shit. Felony. That's where we landed down there with the dinghy. Got the rain fly drying out. And the tent's a little worse for wear. And then all the elastic in the poles is just completely shot.
Just about to cast off here. Elliot's in the dinghy, fully laden. As you can see, it's waiting for me. The balance is not quite right with one person in it. About to untie. The wind is picking right up, directly in the direction where, against the direction where we're rowing.
Hold on, either it's too sudden.
I'm aiming for the center.
Oh fuck. There you go.
And we're off. Yeah, so we got reinforced oarlocks. The oarlocks have shattered multiple times. Elliot just keeps putting more screws into them in hopes that they stick together.
Yeah.
This one completely broke off and we lost the oarlock into the water. We've since replaced the oarlock with one from the shelf in Dawson's Landing that was priced at $210, and gauging the other prices in that store, it probably should have been priced at $25.
The price sticker was so old it was brown.
Yes,
Probably about twice our age, but it's been hanging up there.
It's been hanging there, just waiting for us for the past 50 years.
Oh, you're doing an amazing job.
These sturdy airwalks.
Yeah, they were flexing a few days ago before I really reinforced them. Although that one's still flexing. See if I can get it flexing. Oh yeah, you can see it moving on the camera. We've got, what, at least 4 miles to row? There's some cool cliffs over there. Those cliffs. We should have brought our climbing shoes with us. Justin and Elliot's rustic cooking show. Today on the menu. Some squished lump of bread. Where'd the cream cheese go? Cream cheese? Oh, this is... Can I hold this in my mouth? How am I gonna film this? Okay, this is gonna be difficult. Okay, you get a real close-up shot of the cream cheese. Just dip the bread in there.
Oh, you may actually be able to put it in that zippery pocket sideways.
Oh shit, okay. This is gonna be awful, but I'm flipping it upside down from how I... Oh no. Wait. Oh, perfect, okay.
That's good. Dude, how are we gonna edit this?
We're not. Scooped on the bread. And oh, the ham. So this gray blob is ham. It is ham, right?
It's ham, yeah.
Okay, that's been unrefrigerated for like almost 24 hours at this point. Ham, cream cheese, just kind of squish it around,
Oh, a burrito.
fold it in half. Then this is where I drop my phone in the water. Or flip us. Oh man. Oh. And the wind's picked up a lot. You can see how much we're rocking. And the moment we stop rowing, we just start flying backwards at like twice as fast as we're able to row forwards. Just guzzle it down, dude. About half times here. It's got the sail shape a little better than we did. Figured out we had to raise the sprit more. Wake and everything. We're a little worried about timing the rapids correctly. I don't think we're gonna do it. We have no idea.
I don't really understand the tide cycle here. It seems to be on a
13, 27 random. Okay, so what's our plan if we get too close to the rapids and it's just sucking us? Jump. Fuck. It's gonna be funny to see the transition from this to us just fucking drowning in the rapids. Phone makes it look. They're so funny. It's tilting its head back and snorting.
like that scene from Hot Rod.
Oh god.
Rolls.
I feel like we're really targeting the hot rod demographic with this video. I don't know if that's the demographic I want to target, but if we stop on this point and go check them out. We haven't really filmed any bushwhacking, have we? Oh, jeez. Fuck. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's so much water in the boat. Oh, jeez. Okay. The, here. So you can get me falling in. Bushwhacking with our life jackets. They really do sound fine. Should we just go for it? God, I have to piss. Okay, I'm... balancing it with my foot, which is probably not a good idea. How'd we get so much water in the boat?
It all came in through my butt.
I can't believe we timed that so well. It's pretty hilarious. Most of the time these are raging rapids, I promise.
It's the same as the rest of it.
We've been hyping ourselves up for this since we left.
Home sweet home. Kind of a relief.
We can have bacon now.
Thank God.
Oh, my
Warm
fridge
bacon.
broke right before we left. So.
It didn't just break.
Well, okay.
It didn't just break out of blue.
I dumped a bunch of boiling water on it. And it didn't like that. Well, there's that cool little island. All the trees on top. It's like 4 feet thick of dirt just mounded on top of that thing.
Against all odds, we have returned to the sailboat. Oh, goodness. I don't know how we're going to do this. Oh, wait, oh,
The bear barrel.
oh, there's the can opener.
Oh, wow.
Right where we left it.
Holy cow.
Alright.
You're right.
Goodbye for now. This concludes this episode of Tristan and Elliot's Adventures. Any last words?
Have a good fucking life, I guess.
Yeah.
Remember to have fun.
Have fun.
Have
Get out there.
or
Or
something.
whatever the fuck they say.
Don't